JEE 2026 Warriors, this is it, your final briefing. Before you go into battle, I want you to listen to every single word. This is for you, and only for you.
So, what statement are you going to make? A statement about your dedication, your focus, your sacrifice. You know, for months, maybe even for years, you've worked for this one single day. Tomorrow is the day you show the world. But listen, more importantly, you show yourself what you're really made of.
Just think about it for a second. Seriously, how many people have the courage to even dream a dream like this? To give up all the comfort, the sleep, the parties, all for one single goal? The answer is very, very few. You have already proven that you have that courage. You are already a warrior. Remember that.
Okay, so the first and most important fight. It's not with the physics paper or the chemistry paper. No, the biggest fight is inside your own head. This is your inner battlefield, and you have to be the master of it.
You know, so many people think JEE is all about speed. How fast can you solve? They are completely wrong. This exam, it's a test of clarity. Trust me on this. A clear and calm mind will always, always be faster than a mind that is rushing and confused. Your mind is your #1 tool. You have to keep it sharp and you have to keep it calm.
Just look at this. It's so simple, right? On one side, you have your best friend in that exam hall, your calm mind. This is the mind that sees the answers, the one that has real power. And on the other side, your biggest enemy, a restless mind. This is the mind that panics, the one that makes you miss the simple things that are right in front of you. Tomorrow, you have to choose which one you take with you. Please, choose clarity.
Okay, now listen to me. Before you even walk into that exam hall, I want you to do something. I want you to imagine you are unpacking your bag, and I want you to take out the fear of what will happen. Take out the comparison. Stop thinking about what Sharmaji's son is doing. And please, just throw away any doubt you have about your own ability. These things are heavy, they will weigh you down, you don't need them.
So, if you've thrown all that stuff out, what do you carry in? Just one thing. That's it. Trust. Trust in your own preparation. Think about it. You have put in the hours. You have solved thousands of problems. You have read all the chapters again and again. The work, the hard work, is already done. Now all you have to do is trust it.
Right, so your mindset is sorted, you're calm, you're focused. What's next? You need a plan of attack. Think of this as the art of war, but for your question paper.
I want you to burn this into your brain. The exam is not about your ego. It is not about proving that you can solve the toughest question in the paper. That's just blind bravery, and it's foolish. This exam is a test of your judgment. It is all about smartly selecting the questions that are going to get you marks. Plain and simple.
And here's the strategy. It's a super simple 3-step process. Step 1, scan the paper and find the questions you are 100% sure about. Step 2, solve them. Immediately, lock in those marks. And step 3, this is the most important one, move on. Don't get stuck. No emotional attachment to any question. No ego. Just smart, fast execution.
All right, mindset, check. Strategy, check. Now for the third and final piece of the puzzle, execution. This is where it all comes together. This is about your performance in those 3 hours. This is the champion's code.
Okay, please listen very carefully to this part. So many ranks, so many dreams are destroyed because of one silly mistake. One word like not or accept that someone didn't read properly. Your ability to read carefully is your sharpest weapon. I want you to read every single question slowly, calmly. The paper always, always rewards people who pay attention to the details.
And this is especially true for the numerical questions, right? There are no options to help you. It's just you and the numbers. Here, precision is everything. What is precision? It's the respect you show to the calculation, to the process. And trust me, it's this respect, this precision that actually creates your final rank. When you're looking at a question, what is your job? One job, to solve. That's it. No emotion, don't get happy if it's easy, don't get sad if it's hard. Just solve.
And the second it's done, or the second you realize, hey, this one is taking too long, what do? You move. Instantly. Champions never carry the baggage of one question to the next. They move light, they move fast.
And right before you read the next question, what do? You take one deep breath, and you reset completely. A totally fresh mind for a totally fresh problem. This rhythm,
solve, move, reset. This is the heartbeat of a ranker.
Okay, we've talked about the mindset, we've talked about the strategy, we've talked about execution. There is only one thing left to do now. This is your final commissioning. It's time for you to go out there and claim what you have worked so hard for.
Please, I need you to understand this. This piece of paper will not decide your worth as a human being. It cannot. You are valuable, you are worthy, no matter what happens tomorrow. But your attitude inside that hall, that will decide everything about your performance.
So this is your final code of conduct. 3 things. 1, walk in with humility. You know it's a tough exam. 2, attempt with intelligence. Use the strategy we just talked about. And 3, no matter what the outcome is, you will leave that hall with your head held high, with complete self-respect.
The time for preparing is over. The time for talking is over. All your hard work, your journey, your power, it all comes down to these next few hours. Now, go, and let your actions speak.
Look at this. This is not a question. This is a statement of fact. The battlefield is ready. And so are you. The stage is set. The challenge is waiting. And you are ready. Now go and claim your victory. All the very best.